Third day of Anna Vitarana program, Swami.
శివ పెట్టుకో పెట్టుకో
So third day evening after 8:30 also we can witness the large crowd. So third day of Anna Vitarana program. We thank each and every donor who have contributed for this success, a grand success for this one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much each and every. So.